Students, today we will start very important topic, that is work done or expression for electrostatic potential energy for a system of two charge in external electric field। पर उस तो पहला जो तुसी हुण तक सिक्ख्या, I want to revise you all that। So let's start with अच्छा ਹੁਣ तक ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਹੋ if here is a point charge Q and we want to find electrostatic potential at point P which is at distance say R from the charge, then potential will be V is equal to charge over 4 pi epsilon naught and distance from the charge to the point, that is R. So that is the electrostatic potential due to point charge. Means if Q is charge, then at point P which is at distance say R, that is the electrostatic potential. Okay, now next you know that electric potential due to point charge ਹੁਣੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕੀਤਾ ਫॉर ਚਾਰਜ Q1 V1 4 pi epsilon naught R1। ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ओरिजिन ਤੋਂ ਮੰਨ ਲਓ ਅਸੀਂ A ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਤੇ Q1 ਚਾਰਜ ਪਲੇਸ ਕਰਨਾ, ਸੋ potential at point A will be Q1 4 pi epsilon ਜਾਂ potential at point O from A, because at point distance of point O from A is R1। So if charge is at A Q1, then due to that Q1 charge potential at O, what will be, that is Q1 4 pi epsilon naught R1। So that you know very well। And now as our topic is to find the expression for work done or electrostatic potential energy, so come on the topic। So next we will discuss here and work done for bringing or placing Q2 charge from infinity to, now once see diagram again, now here is Q1 charge, and now if we bring another charge in the vicinity of Q1 charge, then what will be the amount of energy required, or what will be the energy of the system, or what will we do work, or what is the work done for bringing Q2 new charge from infinity, means outside the electric field of Q1 to the point Q2 or to the point V which is in the field of Q1, or you can say in the vicinity, means ਉਹਦੇ ਆਸ-ਪਾਸ ਹੀ ਕਿਤੇ in the near to Q1। So proceed like this। And work done for bringing or placing charge Q2 from infinity to vicinity, means आस-पास of charge Q1, or you can say in the electric field of Q1। Now as you know, before placing Q2, Q1 is already present there। Now due to the presence of Q1 before placing Q2, there will be some potential at point B because of Q1। suppose here is charge q1 and we want to place our new charge say q2 here from infinity. Then due to this q1 charge, due to this q1 charge, here will be the potential at point q2 which is at point, you can say B. Say if this point is A and this point is B, then at point B, if distance of point B from A is say, or like distance of q2 from q1 is say r12, then what will be the potential at point q2 due to charge q1? So that we required here. Let's see. Now due to presence of q1, there will be some potential at point at B. Now due to presence of q1, there will be some potential at B. So work done in placing q2. Now as you know, potential is work upon charge and work is charge into potential or potential into charge, and potential at point B due to charge q1, potential at point B say B2 due to charge q1, or simply potential due to charge q1. What will be the potential? Charge over 4 pi epsilon naught charge to लेके point तक the distance, that is r12. So this will be the, this whole will be the potential at point B due to charge at point A, which is q1. So using this now you have work is charge into potential. So charge we have to place is q2 and potential at point B where we want to charge q2, that is potential due to q1. मतलब कि जे असी B पॉइंट ते नवा चार्ज प्लेस करना, उत्थे पोटेंशियल होगा पहला वाले चार्ज करके, चार्ज पहला पिया q1 एट पॉइंट A. सो q1 चार्ज करके B ते कितना पोटेंशियल है, दैट इज पोटेंशियल एट पॉइंट B ड्यू टू चार्ज q1, विच आई डिनोट हेयर बाय BQ1. सी BQ1. सो दैट यू नो चार्ज करके पोटेंशियल कितना होंदा, चार्ज ओवर 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट r12. सो this will be the work done for charge q2. So simply we can say q1 q2 4 pi epsilon naught r12. So this is the expression for work done in placing the charge q2 in the vicinity of charge q1 in the absence of electric field. So this process is in the absence of electric field. No any electric field is here before placing the charge q1 q2. But that you know, up to here you know very well. Today what is the new topic or what I want to discuss with you today, that is the same thing बट इन दी ਪ੍ਰੈਜੈਂਸ ਆਫ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰਿਕ ਫੀਲਡ। ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਵੀ 2 ਚਾਰਜ ਹੀ ਪਲੇਸ ਕਰਨੇ ਆ ਅਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਉਹ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਲਈ ਕਿੰਨੀ એનર્ਜੀ ਬਣਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਪਰ ਉਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਕਰਨਾ ਇਨ ਦੀ ਪ੍ਰੈਜੈਂਸ ਆਫ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰਿਕ ਫੀਲਡ। ਸੋ that is our topic. So now we will start that. So heading of the topic is expression for system of 2-point charge in expression for electrostatic potential energy, expression for electrostatic potential energy. electrostatic potential energy, or you can say work done or work done or work done. Expression for electrostatic potential energy or work done for the system of 2-point charge in external electric field. So that is our topic. Again we want to find the expression for potential energy but in the presence of electric field. So for that consider 2-point charge. जो ਮੰਨ ਲਓ ਜੇ ਇਹ ਡਾਟਡ ਲਾਈਨ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰਿਕ ਫੀਲਡ ਡਿਨੋਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਅਤੇ ਇਸ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰਿਕ ਫੀਲਡ 'ਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਵਰਕ ਡਨ ਪਤਾ ਕਰਨਾ ਦੋ ਚਾਰਜ ਨੂੰ ਪਲੇਸ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ. ਸੋ ਕੰਸੀਡਰ 2-point charge which we have to place in the electric field. We have to find the expression for the work done. To assemble we have to find the expression for work done to assemble these charge in the external electric field, to assemble the charge in the external electric field. So for that, see in the diagram, let this is the charge Q1 which we bring from infinity to point A in the electric field, and this is another charge say Q2 which we place at point B in the vicinity of A or in the vicinity of charge Q1, and the distance between the A and B or the position where we want to place Q1 and Q2 is R12. So that is about diagram. So proceed. Now as we already select two charge Q1 Q2 which we want to place, now in this case first we find the work done for placing Q1 charge. Now let us work done say W1 in bringing the Q1 charge from infinity to point A in the electric field. ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵਾਲੇ ਆਰਟੀਕਲ 'ਚ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰਿਕ ਫੀਲਡ ਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ. ਸੋ ਅਗੇਨ very basic formula, that is potential work upon charge, and from here work will be charged into potential. Now due to the presence of electric field, here is a potential. As you know very well that if there is a charge, then around that charge there is a electric field, and if there is electric field there must be the potential on these point. At every point inside the electric field there must be a electrostatic potential. So if Q1, if here is a Q1 charge, now since Q1 charge we want to place in electric field, so due to that electric field there must be the electrostatic potential. So we name that potential, that is if that Q1 charge is placed from the origin at a distance R1, then what will be the electrostatic potential at distance R1? That we denote by BR1. BR1 means potential at a point whose position vector is R1 from the origin. So that is the potential, and this potential is due to the presence of external electric field. So work done will be the W is Q into V. V is because of the electric field. So this is the work done for placing first charge, ਜੋ ਕਿ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵਾਲੇ ਕੇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 0 ਸੀ. ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਚਾਰਜ ਨੂੰ ਇਨ ਦੀ ਐਬਸੈਂਸ ਆਫ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰਿਕ ਫੀਲਡ ਪਲੇਸ ਕੀਤਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਵਰਕ ਡਨ 0 ਸੀ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਚਾਰਜ ਨੂੰ ਪਲੇਸ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਉੱਥੇ ਕੋਈ ਪੋਟੈਂਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ. ਪਰ ਇਸ ਕੇਸ 'ਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਵਰਕ ਡਨ ਕਰਨਾ ਜਾਂ ਚਾਰਜ ਪਲੇਸ ਕਰਨਾ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰਿਕ ਫੀਲਡ 'ਚ, ਅਤੇ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰਿਕ ਫੀਲਡ ਕਰਕੇ ਹਰ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ 'ਤੇ ਪੋਟੈਂਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਹੈ. ਸੋ ਹੇਅਰ ਵਿਲ ਬੀ ਨੋਨ ਜ਼ੀਰੋ ਵਰਕ ਡਨ ਫॉर the first charge. Similarly Similarly, we will find or calculate work done, that is W2 for charge Q2 to place to place to place in the vicinity of Q1, means ਉਹਦੇ ਆਸ-ਪਾਸ ਹੀ place ਕਰਨਾ in the same electric field. So in this case potential is because of two reasons. One is the potential due to the electric field, that is the potential at a point R2 where we want to place second charge, and second one is potential due to the first charge which we already placed. ਅਸੀਂ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਵੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਚਾਰਜ ਕਰਕੇ ਇੱਕ ਥਾਂ 'ਤੇ ਪੋਟੈਂਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਸੋ Q2 ਚਾਰਜ ਪਲੇਸ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ B ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਦੇ ਪੋਟੈਂਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਇੱਕ ਤਾਂ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰਿਕ ਫੀਲਡ ਕਰਕੇ ਹੋ, ਇੱਕ ਜੋ ਉੱਥੇ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਚਾਰਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਪਲੇਸ ਕਰ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹਾਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਹੋ. ਸੋ potential at point B will be because of two things. One is due to the presence of external electric field, and second one is due to the presence of initial charge, that is Q1. So that is the potential. So here now important thing is this is the potential due to electric field. Now what will be the value of this? So potential at point B due to charge Q1. Again, if we revise the diagram, here is charge Q1 at point A, and this is the new position, say B, where we want to place another charge, say Q2, and distance between these charges, say R12. So what will be the potential at point B due to Q1 charge? Simply ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਕਿਸੇ ਥਾਂ ਦੇ ਪੋਟੈਂਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਚਾਰਜ ਓਵਰ 4πε0 ਐਂਡ ਡਿਸਟੈਂਸ ਚਾਰਜ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਤੱਕ ਦਾ. ਸੋ ਸਿੰਪਲੀ ਆ ਜੂ potential due to charge Q1 at position BQ, Q1 4πε0 R12. So that will be the potential. Substitute this value here. Substitute this value at point this is the potential due to electric field, and this is the potential due to Q1 charge. So substituting these value in 2, we get this. So this is the potential due to Q1, and this is the potential due to electric field, which simply we write BR2. So that is the work done for Q2 charge. Now total work done, what will be the total work done? So here you can say on multiplying Q2 with this, and then with second term we get Q2 into BR2 and Q1 4πε0 R12. So this is point third, which is the work done for placing second charge. Before that we already find work done due to work done for placing only Q1 charge. That is the first point. Now what will be the total work done? So simply add these two. So total work done. Now total work done will be work done for placing Q1 and Q2, that is W1 and W2, which we already calculate here. So this term is work done for placing first charge only. For placing first charge or for placing Q1 charge, we have no initial charge there. So here potential is only because of electric field, and for point A, whose position vector is R1, potential is simply BR1. So work done is charge into potential. And for placing second charge Q2, for placing second charge, one is now work is again potential into charge. So here we get two terms. One term because of the external electric field, and second term because of the presence of first charge, that is Q1. So this whole is the expression for the work done for placing Q1 Q2 charge in the presence of electric field. ਪਰ ਜੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਆਰਟੀਕਲ ਕਰਿਆ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਜਾਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹੀ ਟਰਮ ਮਿਲੀ ਹੈ ਸਾਨੂੰ, ਇਹ ਟਰਮ ਐਬਸੈਂਟ, ਬਾਕੀ ਟਰਮਾਂ ਐਬਸੈਂਟ ਨੇ, ਇਹ ਟਰਮ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ, ਇਹ ਵੀ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ। ਕਿਉਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ? ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਹ ਟਰਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੋ ਪੋਟੈਂਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਹੈ BR1 BR2 ਉਹ ਪੋਟੈਂਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਹੈ A ਅਤੇ B ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਦਾ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਐਕਸਟਰਨਲ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰਿਕ ਫੀਲਡ ਕਰਕੇ। ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵਾਲਾ ਆਰਟੀਕਲ ਇਨ ਦੀ ਐਬਸੈਂਸ ਆਫ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰਿਕ ਫੀਲਡ ਸੀ, ਇਹ ਇਨ ਦੀ ਪ੍ਰੈਜੈਂਸ ਆਫ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰਿਕ ਫੀਲਡ। ਸੋ that is the total work done for placing 2 charges. Similarly you can find it for 3-point charge. So simply, as I want to mention here, that this term is work done for Q1 due to work done on Q1 because of the presence of external electric field, and similarly this is also for the second charge and due to the presence of the electric field, and this work done is work done for Q2 due to potential of charge Q1. This whole is potential. Q over 4 by epsilon r12 is the potential of charge Q1 at point B. So this is very important article, you must learn this. If you have any doubt, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number, that is 8566866924, or you can left your query or question in the comment box also. For next video, subscribe the channel and get latest notification. Thank you.